Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use Filmora video editing software. So let's get started. So Filmora or Filmora 12 is a very easy and reliable editing software. So to use that, first of all, you have to install Filmora on your desktop on your laptop, and then you have to open and you can see this type of window. Then click on this here as your new project. Just wait, and if you go it here like this window, and then you have to click on this here as click to import media. Then here you can import any video. For example, if I like import this video, it will show like this, and I will just like drop and drag and drop here. Then you can select your key project setting, and it will set you all the FPS as you can see. So from here we can edit it. So first let me explain you how to cut this video. So to cut this video you have to use this scissor icon. So when you will just click this, you will have two cuts here. So as you can see, this is the two parts of the video. So now we can add something transition here or other video also. So to add a transition, you have to click on this transition, and then you can see this types of transition. So if I want to add this, I will just drag and drop here. So let's play the video and see the effect. So here we can see we cannot see the effect because it's like same video, that's why. So let me show you how it shows. So as you can see, this is the effect like this, or you can use this also if you want to replace, just put it above this, and here you can see this is the transition. So if you want to put the effect, then click on this effect section, then you can see here your effects. So basically effect will be layover on the video. So for example, if I want to give this effect, so I will just put it like this, so it will be above the video, not like below this. Okay, on not on this, you have to do like above. So here we can see the effect of this video. So if you go to sticker, then you can put here some emojis also. So if you want to put like follow icon, you can just put it like this. Then you can see like here on the video, like follow me like button will come out. And if you see for the templates, so templates will give you the the collage here. You can see like there are many templates available, and if you want to download the other, you can also. So for example, if you're doing a live stream, then you can add this, so it will download for like 2-3 minutes. And here you can see the template like this. So to edit this, you can directly click on this here, and you can like erase this, or you can like put it here your things also. Like if you want to place the photo like this or the second photo like this, you can put it, and you can edit many other things. If you go to basic, then you can have your split screen and many other things. So it will download. So here you can put like this. You can make your own videos also. So it is very easy to use Filmora. And if you go to titles, then we can put here our like titles also. For example, if I want to put this, so I will just put it on the over the layers, not in the same. You have to put on the layers. By this here you can just like write like this. As for example, if I write hello, so if I play this video, you can see like this hello, it's here. And here you can add like according to you titles, and if you want audio, then you can click on this audio. You can add some audios also, like for example the like keyboard typing sound. You can just download this, it will take our time, and from here you can like put it like down, and it will download. Then from here you can just like put like this, and you can just cut it like this, and you can delete by backspace button. Then if you can see here, it's like a blade tool. If you want to cut like many clips, for example, if I like zoom it by my control and scroll button, it will zoom like this. And if I want a refined cut, so I can just put like this cut here, like this way, and by this way you can use. And if you turn off, just click on this here and you can see like it's a clear cut. So I will just click on this cut and it will be done. And if you see, you can use your stock media also and many others here. So if you see here, these are the stock videos. So for example, if I want to use this type of video, this is sceneries, so I will just click on this here, download. It will download here. Then you can go like this way, or you can just zoom out. After zooming out, then you can put this video like this, or you want like above the like video, like for example this here, you can, if you want, like you can put it like this way, and you can just like short it like this way also. If you want to overlay here, then you can put it this way, and by this way you can use it. So if you want to blur some text, for example, if you want to hide this text, if you want to know don't show this, just click on this here clip, and after that you have to click on this green like icon, chroma key, and then here you can click on chroma key, and then from here you can select the key and hide this, so it will automatically like blur out this text in here. So by this way you can do it. And if you want to put some particular like sticker or blur icon, you can click on here sticker and then search for the blur. So if you see here, it will load. So here you can see there are like blur things, so I will just put like this, and you can put here the particularly a blur like a icon type of thing. You can just make it small, and from here you can blur this. So this is how you can blur this also. And if you see here, you can go into your media and then you can put many like backgrounds also. If you want like a background behind this, then you can put it into like back of this, or you can go it like here into just click on this here, and you can add a video track and you can make it up like this. You can just put this up. So you have to just put this like here, you have to just like click on this, then here you have to press on control, and then here you can just like put this up. Then you can like here you have to go, then you have to slide this here, and after this it will be done. Then here you have to just put the background, and if you see here, it will show you the background also. If I like remove this, you can see the background as well. So this is how you can put the background also and do many other things. And if you want to put like this here, by this way you can do. And if you want to extract the audio, you can just click on this here and you can click on this detach audio, and you can see this 41 is the audio detached by this video. Then after your all editing will be done, then you can click on this export, and then you can name the file, and then you can click on this higher setting, and then you can click on export, and then it will be done. So this is how to use the Filmora software. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for your watching.